Yo guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are taking the Firebird for a run, and the engine room is sadly still rusting from the fire extinguisher powder thing. So I'm gonna go to a car wash right now where you can do like self-use with like high pressure pumps and stuff. So hopefully we can clean it up some more. I don't know, it's fucking annoying. Today we got the homie Walter with us. Gonna feel the Firebird out, I guess. So right now I have a really shitty microphone and camera set up, but hopefully it's gonna work. I don't know. There's so much noise in this car that I probably have to yell, but yeah, hopefully you can hear it. So right now we're gonna go on to like a local road that's like in a little forest. It's a really short little road, but it's a fun little bit. So you know, we're gonna try it out. Give it a little ripperoni. Probably can't see anything now when I realize it. Woo! So I just noticed like the camera is pointing down, so I'm sorry about that, but it's the best I can do right now. Or maybe, you know what? I have an idea. Probably put something underneath the camera right here. Did that work? I think that worked. Woo! Third gear burn up. No, the battery fell over. I'm probably not able to get this camera to sit up right now. Wait a second, we're gonna try something else. Doesn't work either. You're just gonna have to live with that angle, okay? Woo! It's so fun. It is so fucking fun. Oh, jeez. Honestly, the carburetor feels so much better right now. I honestly think the fuel pressure helped a lot, but I'm not sure, but it feels like it. Let's go for another rip. Woo! I just love the pops. You probably can't hear in the video, but the pops are so loud, incredibly loud. Exactly at the shift, so it's kind of like a modern car that pops when it's shift or whatever. Really awesome. The old guy just gave us a thumbs up. That's really cool. It's not like in America where old people actually had American cars when they were young and then giving you a thumbs up. Here people just hate you, okay? Oh, would you look at that? It's an old truck. Hold on. I just found. Okay, so we got a new setup. Hopefully that's gonna hold. First to third. I don't know why, but it feels like I'm not able to push the throttle all the way to the floor. Feels like something is sticking, maybe like the carburetor linkage or something, which is surprising how fast it feels right now. I don't know, it feels like something is sticking. It's so fun. It's hot, and then basically the belt is doing a burnout, if you will. That's because my power steering wheel or whatever is a different size, so gotta fix that at some point in some way. But second gear, it's so good. It has like the perfect power band and everything, like in the RPM. Woo! It smells like tires because I just burned the tires, but also think the rebuild. Giving the thumbs up, that's great. We made more people happy today than people angry, so that's a pro, I guess. Definitely a positive note. Sounds so fucking good. So good. Just doing a little revvy rev here. It just shoots. Just shoots the flame straight out of the exhaust. So good, so fucking good. So fucking good. Yeah, boy. The carburetor definitely improved. I think the accelerator pump gasket was probably shot because it definitely feels a lot quicker now when you like hit the throttle, which I would guess is the accelerator pump, right? But I don't know, definitely feels more responsive. But we're gonna return home now.